The V2V BN mobile app is available on both Android and iOS, making it simple for members to stay connected from anywhere. Built with modern technology, the app ensures smooth access to all networking features on the go. With the mobile app, you can explore chapters and connect with members instantly. Register and track F2F meetings on the spot. Share referrals, business opportunities, and resources in real time. Access events, training sessions, and notifications at your fingertips. Manage invoices, slips, and business analytics seamlessly. The F2F meeting feature is one of the most important functions in V2V BN. It helps members record and demonstrate meetings with fellow colleagues, either within the chapter or outside the chapter, making business networking transparent and measurable. How to register an F2F meeting? Go to the F2F menu. F2F meetings, right pointing arrow, view existing meetings. F2F right pointing arrow, register a new meeting. When registering a new F2F, select meeting type, right pointing arrow within chapter or outside chapter. Met with right pointing arrow, search and select the member's name. Invited by right pointing arrow, choose whether you invited them or they invited you. Date, right pointing arrow, select past or future meeting date. Location, right pointing arrow, enter where the meeting took place, e.g., cafe, office, restaurant. Meeting link, right pointing arrow, paste link if it was a virtual meeting. Validation ensures no spaces. Topic of conversation, right pointing arrow, provide a brief description of discussion points. Upload images, right pointing arrow, add up to 5 images or capture live during the meeting. Click Create F2F to save the meeting. Editing or rescheduling an F2F meeting. Go to F2F Meetings. Select the meeting you created. Edit or reschedule details as needed.